Hello friends, welcome back to the channel NoLogicNoTrade. In today's video, we are talking about a controversial yet quietly resurgent stock that's been grabbing headlines lately. The stock, and in fact the entire group, was once written off due to allegations of fund mismanagement, mounting debt, bankruptcy proceedings, and more. So, did you guess the group already? Yes, we are talking about the Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group, and more specifically a stock that's been flying under the radar for quite some time, the Reliance Infrastructure. So what's going on here? The stock has slowly started showing signs of life in recent months. And as often we say, the stock moves first, the news follows later. That makes it worth digging deeper to understand what's really happening behind the scenes. On a chart, if you see, for past few months, it has been trading actively with quite a good volume and price action. Now, let's take a look at the news first, what's going on behind the scenes. So lately, Anil Ambani's name has been reappearing in financial news, and not for the reasons we are used to. So the most recent development, if you take a look at this, the Canara Bank withdraws fraud tag on Reliance Communications loan account. Now this can be a small news for someone, but from a financial perspective, this is really very huge. And as we know, the Canara Bank is a public sector bank, and if one public sector bank is clearing the air, could the SBI or other banks also follow the suit? And if they do, it could mark a significant win in Anil Ambani's long journey back to the credibility. Meanwhile, Reliance Infra itself has been making some news recently. If we take a look at it, the Reliance Infra gets three-notch ratings boost from India's ratings on near zero debt. So, which basically says the company has reduced its debt to almost zero. And for an investor, a zero debt company is it's like a gold mine. Another things uh, behind it is like they have inked a 20,000 crore defense pact with an US firm to service India's jets and choppers. Now, so they are trying to make their way into the businesses. And few days ago, they have also cleared one uh, loan with the Yes Bank. So company is also looking strong financially as they are moving with their debt repayment. And you see, they have made a jet manufacturing deal with Dassault, and they have promised 10,000 crore worth of investment in the aerospace sector over the next decade. So it's really huge announcements, and they are very desperately trying to build up before losing the steam again. So on a technical front, if we take a look at the chart, we can see that it has crossed a major, we can say, resistance, which has been since long. You can say it's like its entire lifetime resistance have been crossed in last in May basically, and in April it has done a continuous upward journey. Um, it's April, May, and June. It has been on upsides, and it looks like it's consolidating now. We are on a monthly time frame, so if you take a look at it, it spent quite a lot time in this area, and once it started moving, see, it has already gained around massive 1500% gains in 5 years. So it's huge. And if we take a look at the weekly chart, uh, you see for few weeks now it has been making continuously higher high low higher low pattern. So and now right now it's been consolidating in this range. for few weeks again, and maybe if things go well with uh, Anil Dhirubhai Ambani, the stock might give us a good movements from the investment perspective. So it looks like they are onto something, and Mr. Anil Ambani is really trying hard to improve his business, his market visibility, his credibility with all these positive things he has been trying. So um, before we end up this video, just a disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. This is not a recommendation to buy and sell. This is just an educational video where we are discussing what's happening behind the scene and could it be beneficial for Reliance Infrastructure as well as the entire Anil Dhirubhai Ambani group of companies. So with that, let's end this video and keep monitoring Reliance Infrastructure's price volume action. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.